Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss when we can say a sequence is bounded below. When we can say a sequence is bounded below. To study this, we will learn a definition. Yes, this is the definition. A sequence of real numbers, n is equal to 1 to infinity of real numbers is said to be bounded below. Is said to be bounded below if there exists a number small m such that every member in the sequence, that is every an is greater than or equal to small m. We have to select such a number small m in which every member an in our sequence is greater than or equal to that number small m. That is, mathematically we can write the equation an is greater than or equal to small m for all n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Then the number small m is called a lower bound for the sequence n is equal to 1 to infinity. So we have selected a number small m in which every member of the sequence is greater than or equal to that selected number small m. Such a number m is called lower bound of the sequence. If no such a number m exists for your sequence, then the sequence n is equal to 1 to infinity is not bounded below or unbounded below. We have to learn this terminology also. If such a number m does not exist, then your sequence is not bounded below or bounded below. Now let us see note on this lower bound of a sequence. If small m is a lower bound of a sequence an where n is equal to 1 to infinity, then any number less than small m is also a lower bound of the sequence. If small m is a lower bound of a sequence, then any number less than small m is also a lower bound of the sequence. That means what we have learned, a given sequence can have more than one lower bound. So that is, the sequence n is equal to 1 to infinity can have more than one lower bound. Yes. Now let us see an examples on this concept. Yes. The sequence 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and so on n by n plus 1. Yes, it is bounded below by every real number less than or equal to 1 by 2. It is bounded below by every real number less than or equal to 1 by 2. That means it is bounded below by the number small m which is equal to 1 by 2. And any real number which is less than 1 by 2 is also a lower bound for your sequence. That means what we have learned, a sequence can have more than one lower bound. Now, every finite set of numbers is bounded below. The set of natural numbers is bounded below by every real number less than or equal to 1. Once again, we are studying that a sequence can have more than one lower bound. Yes, and in this example our small m is 1, that is lower bound for the set of natural numbers is 1. So we have learned in the previous video where the set of natural numbers is not bounded above. So we are unable to find such a number capital M where all the numbers are less than or equal to that capital M. Yes. Anyhow, now let us see another examples. The set S is equal to set of all x such that x greater than 0 where x belongs to set of real numbers is bounded below by 0. Bounded below by 0. Is here we are taking x greater than 0 where x are all real numbers. Now consider another set. S1 is equal to 1 by n where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. This set is also bounded below by 0. Bounded below by 0. And our small m is 0 here. Take the another set. S1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n by n where n belongs to set of natural numbers. Let us guess. Guess, my dear viewer. Yes? Yes, it is bounded below by minus 1. It is bounded below by minus 1. So in this way we can identify when the given sequence is bounded below and how we are able to find such a lower bound for the given sequence. Yes. Thank you, my dear viewers, for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel to get more knowledge. Yes, please subscribe our channel to get more knowledge. Thank you once again.